Welcome back everyone, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video I'm going to be taking a look at Bitcoin and I'm going to be seeing if it has actually entered a bull run market or how close we are to a bull run market. If you like any of the content I bring to you, any form of support or feedback is greatly appreciated. Let's get straight into it. Now, first clip I want to show you is from Altcoin Daily. He is a very popular cryptocurrency YouTuber. If you haven't already heard of him, go check him out. He uploaded this video to do with the media pump in Bitcoin. I just want to show it to you quick.
Bitcoin has been going a bit bananas this year. The crypto is now up around 22% this year, and inching closer to that, 10,000 level that has not hit since September. BK, I don't want to call it a comeback.
Yeah, I wouldn't. I mean, it was
Cool
the
J
best.
said
Don't call it a
But listen,
It's
Bitcoin
been here for
was
years, but let's be clear. I mean, after this kind of drop, why the sudden reinterest?
So, one, Bitcoin was the best performing asset last year. It was up over 80%. So this is not really a comeback.
Off of a $20,000 peak.
Yeah, off of a
Back down to
70%
4.
decline.
Yes.
Right. Well, it does that every several years. So, I mean, if you look at the markets, that's a very typical move for Bitcoin. So we're up 80-something% last year. Momentum continues this year, up 22%. I talked back in December how the Bitcoin market, the price of Bitcoin was mispricing the address growth. And so what you started to see is people kind of reprice the underlying fundamentals. Address growth which is the one fundamental I look at, was actually growing while the price was declining. That's a big buy signal. The exact opposite is happening right now. The Bitcoin price has got a little bit ahead of the address growth. So just like I said about Apple, just like I said about the triple Qs in 2000, when an asset goes straight up, that means a lot of the news is priced in. I think there's huge upside for Bitcoin, maybe just not tomorrow.
Well, that certainly is interesting. We have reached a phase where the media are starting to pump Bitcoin. Bitcoin is struggling to pump past that $9,000 limit, but if it can pump past that, then we will be in for a big year, I think. The media phase last time started about here, and after the media phase you had the whole public attention phase here, which is when it went boom. You had the late people here, which then caused it to go all the way down because everyone was cashing out. But it all does generally depend on what happens in the next couple of weeks to see if we can smash past this $9,000 resistance point. If Bitcoin does successfully smash past it, then we will be hitting a very big parabolic stage where the media will constantly pump it. And then that's when stuff will get very interesting, and throughout the whole year we will see a big change, I think. For some of these altcoins, Bitcoin SV, that had a very big pump the other day. I think it went up over $100, so congratulations to the traders if you got in on that. Overall, the market today is just a normal day, but overall the market has been doing very, very well the past few days, which is very interesting. It could be early signs of a bull market, but we don't know. I just want to show you this. This is the evolution of money from Plan B, $100 trillion USD. This is the evolution of money. Now, for me personally, I cannot think of anything after bank accounts and credit cards. If you try your hardest to think what could be the next fundamental stage after bank accounts and credit cards, I can't think of anything personally. And I generally try to take Bitcoin out of the equation, completely take it out of it, and I generally struggle to think of anything that is here now that can sort the current evolution of money, considering it is struggling. All countries' national currencies are falling to the point where it is becoming useless now. So I personally do not know what could be the next fundamental flip, but we'll have to wait and see, I suppose. I want to know your thoughts in the comments if any of you guys think Bitcoin is entering a bull run market, or if you think this year we will enter the biggest bull market yet. I want to show you this last piece. It's from Goldman Sachs, which is one of the biggest banks in America. Now, I've seen reports about them a few times, and this time they are advising people to buy the dip. Now, last time they advised their employees to buy Bitcoin if it stays above a certain price. I think it fell slightly below that price, but here we are again. They are again promoting Bitcoin. This is just another phase of how we go from government saying Bitcoin is dead. It has been declared dead over 350 times. Now look where we are. It's effectively everywhere. You cannot get away from it almost. And in the next year or two, we could see a massive, massive flip in terms of bull run, bull market, price fly to the sky. But again, it just all depends what happens in the next 3 months. So far, Bitcoin is having an unbelievable year. It's having the best year it's had since 2012, which is a very good sign so far, considering we need this attention, we need this hype for Bitcoin's price to fly up again. But it will happen in time, and patience is the only thing that will be able to save us. So if any of you guys think Bitcoin has actually entered the bull run market, then let me know how high you think it will go, or how low you think it will go if you don't think we're in a bull market and you think this is a bull trap and you reckon we'll fall into a bear market. But if you did enjoy anything, any feedback or support, it's greatly appreciated. I've been Crypto Nobes. Thanks for watching.